Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how we can learn more about the creation and the last modification date of video clips you edit on Google Vids. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume you've been working on a video clip like this here and you have been given access to it by a co-editor or a contact of yours, and now you'd like to find out when it was created or last modified. There are two ways how you can do this. You can check this, for example, here on Google Vids by clicking into File here in the top left corner and by selecting Details, and you will see the document details here, like the location, for example, a specific folder on Google Drive, or a folder, for example, on Google Drive, or the modification date, the creation date. However, guys, as you can see, the creation date is not too precise. So there's also option number 2. Since videos on Google Vids are usually saved automatically and also on Google Drive, you may simply navigate to the location on Google Drive or the folder. For example, if someone has shared the folder with you, have given access to it, for instance, and you will see the given file here, for example, the location, and you may right click into the given file, select file information details here, and here to the right you will see like more information like the file size, the storage used, and more detailed creation date, for example March 1st 2026 modification date. And so that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.